Welcome to this home located in the Tavistock Farm community of Leesburg, Virginia. Located just 5 minutes outside of downtown Leesburg, you can get to major highways quickly. Your favorite shopping in the community. We have pools, tot lots, a playground, as well as pickleball. Come check it out. So inside this home was smartly redesigned, adding bonus closets in both the primary and lower level. So walls were opened up to improve the flow and appeal, and recessed lightings was added on each floor while closing off windows for both privacy and energy savings. Now that you have seen this beautiful Leesburg home, if you are interested to set an appointment or would like to have a free consultation about how we can help you buy or sell your home, please reach out.